got some hiccups. Oh, Puppet, you're okay, aren't you?
You shouldn't laugh, should we?
It's okay, isn't it? You don't mind.